Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you've heard the phrase forwarded to circuit court or maybe bound over to circuit court and you're trying to figure out what it means. It's a critical step in the criminal justice process, and it signals that a case is getting much more serious. In the American legal system, you have different levels of courts. Typically, a serious criminal case, like a felony, starts in a lower-level court, which might be called a district court, general district court, or municipal court, depending on your state. This lower court has limited power. It can handle the initial phases of a felony case, like the first appearance, the arraignment where charges are read, and setting bail. However, it usually doesn't have the authority, or what's called jurisdiction, to hold a full felony trial. The key event that leads to a case being forwarded is the preliminary hearing, also known as a probable cause hearing. At this hearing, the prosecutor presents some of their evidence to the lower court judge. Their goal isn't to prove the defendant is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, that comes later. Their only job right now is to show the judge that there is probable cause. Probable cause is a legal standard that essentially asks, is there enough credible evidence to make a reasonable person believe that a crime was committed, and that the defendant is the one who likely committed it? It's a much lower bar to clear than what's needed for a conviction. If the judge agrees that the prosecution has shown enough evidence to meet this probable cause standard, the judge will then forward or bind over the case to the circuit court. This action officially transfers the case from the lower court to the higher court. Think of it like a filter. The lower court's job is to filter out cases that don't have enough evidence to even proceed to a full trial. Once a case is forwarded to circuit court, the real legal battle begins. The circuit court is the main trial court with the power to conduct felony jury trials. After being forwarded, the next step is often for a grand jury to hear the evidence and formally indict the defendant. Then comes more extensive discovery, where lawyers exchange all their evidence, more complex legal motions are filed, and serious plea negotiations take place. Ultimately, this is the court where a full trial would happen in front of a jury of your peers. So, in short, forwarded to circuit court means a judge has found there's enough evidence for a serious charge to move forward to a full trial. It does not mean the person is guilty. It simply means the case has passed the first checkpoint and is now entering the main arena of the justice system. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this explanation helped clear things up. If you found this video helpful and want more simple breakdowns of complex legal topics, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out.